has to stop snoring now that I turn on the video.
Yeah. Guess what they have now? Gingerbread Oreos.
That's disturbing. Hey, it looks like his head is twisted over to the side in this.
Maybe it's bad in his dreams. Oh yeah, is you awake now? No? Looking creepy? You look so creepy right now.
His eyes are just open. And he's snoring. Close your eyes, sleeping cat.